Please don't explode, please don't explode, please don't explode.
Heck yes! Oh my word, that's awful.
I totally did it! So, there's this scene in anime that I was watching with my daughter recently where they poured some flour in a bin and just threw a match in it, and it exploded in their faces. And it drove me mad because flour, while it's flammable, is not like dynamite. Just to prove it, we're gonna do that exact thing. Ryan, grab a match, and I'm just gonna pour this in here, and you get to throw a match in it.
Nice.
Right, drop it. See, that does nothing. We'll try to get this to go again. We'll try to help it even.
Come on.
Are you match impaired?
There we go.
Too much. What really happens with flour is if you take, for example, a spoon of flour like this, and you try to ignite it, even with a blowtorch, it's organic, so it'll eventually burn, right? It's on here, browns like bread or cookies, and then burns just a little bit. You got to keep heat on there for a little while until it really ignites. But it takes a good deal of effort. What happens though when you spread out all of the particles is that the extra air and the extra surface area make it easier for it to combust. In flour mills, they'll actually have what they call dust explosions. And some spark somewhere ignites it, and the whole thing goes boom. But to get that to happen easier or on purpose, what you can do is take just a little bit of flour, throw it in your mouth, and blow over a fire source like this. Flour. It's my favorite meal of the day. And I need a drink really bad. But that's how you actually get flour to burn, by putting a ton of air into it so that when it goes over a fire source, it's got enough space that it can ignite. We're going to try to do this for real and make a legit flour flamethrower that's a lot better than me just stuffing my mouth with flour. I need a drink of water.
So first things first is we're going to need some sort of hopper feeder to hold all the flour that we will be pumping into the flamethrower. The flour will then be pushed through an auger, like such, into a hose that leads to our venturi. So this hose will be connected right here to feed in the flour, and then eventually we'll have another hose coming in right here to feed it air. We have plenty of stepper motors that give us perfect consistency that we can just attach via pulleys and make this go any speed we want. I think that's the way to go, is a stepper driver to push the flour into the venturi.
Trogdor agrees. It's a good method. How do we power the whole thing?
12 volt.
Just like off of a car battery?
Sure.
We've got those big lipos that we're using for that other project. Let's use those.
All right, so yeah, we'll just connect a big old battery here. So now that we know everything, then how are we going to make it? Because this is not going to be small.
Yeah, but we got that huge H2D.
That'll do it. Hey, what? Yeah. We'll just split it into parts?
Yeah. Split it into a couple parts so it's easy to put together.
I don't know about you, but I don't really want to be holding this on the first tests. So I say let's put some feet on it.
Oh, I wanted to strap it straight to my back.
I mean, you can do that.
Right on the first test.
But you can do it.
Oh, I see how it is. Taking out a life insurance policy on me, have you?
I mean, I will not confirm nor deny.
As long as you split it with my wife.
Sorry.
Ah, that's better. Nice. I just got my first pair of wire strippers, and I'm so happy about it. Normally we'd get our PCBs from JLC PCB, but they didn't sponsor this video. So we've got this instead. We made this out of MDF. Nice and pretty PCB. We've got an Arduino right there, voltage regulator, and a nice dangly cord mess. But now we get the age-old tradition for all electrical work of plugging it in and praying it doesn't explode. Please don't explode, please don't explode, please don't explode, please don't explode. Okay. Woo! Yeah!
You did good, Marv, once.
It didn't explode. So we finally got everything together, and it turns now after some minor modifications, but it's kind of loud. It's like nails on a chalkboard perpetually. Oh.
So bad.
We're gonna see how it actually feeds flour through it now, just as a test. All right, Ryan, flip the switch. All right.
In the bucket.
What? Is it still spinning? Maybe we put too much in at once. Can you see the auger?
Yeah, I can hear it. It's going.
Oh, it's just really slow.
Yeah, it's gonna need to go.
Dude, it looks really interesting in here. You can see it like cut through the flour and just push a chunk forward, and then it sloughs off. And honestly, it's pretty consistent. Maybe not super consistent, but...
Turn it up higher.
Nope. No! We're gonna have to go back. We're doing like 8 steps or something. We might have to go to full steps on the stepper controller. We gotta up it a lot. We might have geared it down too far. No! Double the batteries, double the voltage, double speed, double the noise.
something, that's for sure.
All right, so we need to connect our Venturi apparatus to everything. So we're just going to pop it on, and our stepper motor is going to keep complaining. We really need to get more powerful one. I'm just going to use my handy dandy electrical tape and slap this on here. So let's tape this real quick. And we don't actually have tri-clamp fittings, which is what this is meant for. But electrical tape, when you stretch it, works so well. I think that's on. It's good. Let's see what it does when you try to feed it now. Power on, blower on, feeder on. We gotta throttle it a little bit. It's just not quite fast enough on our feed. I can't hear the motor when it's running, so I don't know how fast it's going or if it's skipped. What, you having a hard time breathing?
Just a little bit. I mean, I think it'll work. It just might not be a continuous flame.
We might need to up things to get a continuous flame like I wanted.
Yeah.
We've got everything all set up, and we're ready to see what it does or doesn't do for real now. So we're just gonna add all the flour into it and try. Turn it on. Oh! Yes! It's totally working, Ryan! There! Yeah! That's it! It's like almost holding it. Alright, I think we pull out our secret weapon. Let's add the other stuff. Yeah.
The rest of the bag in it?
Yeah, we gotta mix it up first though. Yep, hit the blower. Yeah! Heck yes! Yeah! See that? Our flow's not high enough on the flour. All right, Ryan, we gotta grab the marshmallows.
Marshmallows.
We're gonna try the other way of cooking with flour this time.
Cooking with flour.
Yeah. Flour. They're just totally cooked. Oh, wow. Those are just completely destroyed. No way.
Dude, these are just
Those are just
carbon.
Destroyed.
I have never seen a marshmallow do that and not like fall off.
Well done. It's not really a cooking challenge unless you try to eat it after, right? Oh, it's like I'm eating sand. It's so crunchy and like dry. It's not a cooking challenge if you don't try to eat it after.
It wasn't a cooking challenge.
Oh my word, that's awful. I'm chewing on sand now. See what happens when I really feed it. I got it, Ryan! I got it! I've got a torch! I've got a torch! It's so hot! I totally did it!